Hey my friends, so just a quick video here. My garage door opener sounds like it's gonna blow up here. Super noisy. So I just got some the normal like spray lubricants, WD-40 or Triflow, whatever. It's not really gonna help with this worm drive here. So got this Lucas Oil white lithium grease, and it's recommended for household use and garbage. I'll just let you hear what this thing sounds like real quick. Yeah, so super loud. Just gonna take off the lid here and put some grease up in there, and we'll listen to it after that. Okay, so I'm pretty much just unscrew the lid and that thing's right there, and then I just running, just pretty much just shooting the grease up onto the bottom of that worm drive. And when that turns, it's going to hopefully lubricate all that. We're not going to have any more noise. So let's finish this up real quick. I actually just put some on my my weight machine here too. These can get a little greasy or whatever if you try putting different stuff on there. So now they'll just go up and down nice and smooth on there. Just kind of put a little bead around there and go up and down a few times. You can use a paper towel if you want to get that stuff off there, but if it stays on too, it's just going to help protect it. So all right, now that we got our line of silicone greaser, let's go ahead and start this and see if we can't hear a difference here in a second. Oh my! Almost can't hear it. So the motor itself, super quiet. I'll probably just put a little bit of grease on these wheels as well to get rid of that squeaking. You can lubricate anywhere that's kind of like moving here. I do have some grease on there, but I think that this silicone grease is kind of more meant for this, so be a lot quieter. But that worm drive is, oh, it's way quieter now, so I'm impressed. Anyways, my friends, if you have a squeaky, noisy garage door opener, this is a way to fix that. So have a great day, and I'll catch you next time.